Hello, hi. Today we're going to make a very simple dish which is actually a kuih. So the kuih we're going to make is Sago kuih and is also known as Toothless Delight. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified of all the videos that I upload. So now let's go and see what's in it that is called Toothless Delight. To make the sago kuih, you will need 100 grams of sago. We're going to rinse it. And drain it. Soak it for about half an hour with some water. And let it drain. So add in 400 ml of water. You add in the sugar, some food coloring, pink or red food coloring would be nice. Okay, now we add in the sago, some rose flavoring would be nice, 1 teaspoon. Then we bring it to the boil and we cook it. You cook it until it's translucent and it will thicken. It's a bit thicker now. At this stage, we're going to lift it up and put it in the steamer. In the meantime, we prepare 1 cup of desiccated coconut and we add a pinch of salt. And then we stir it. So this will be the coating for the sago. Now we're going to put the sago in a container and I've lined it with cling film. Normally in Malaysia we will put a banana leaf at the bottom, but right now I don't have banana leaf, so I'm using the cling film so that it will be easy to dislodge. So here we go. We flatten the top. We can use a grease-proof paper sprayed with oil and then we use this to flatten it to make sure it's flat, and don't forget to give it some slam. So now we put the tray inside the steamer and then we'll bring it to the steamer. Ooh, okay. We need to cover the steamer with a cloth so the water don't drop, so we let it steam. When I first learned about this dish, we do it in little blobs like this. Instead of putting it in a tray and steaming it, we just put it like this and it's a blob like this, and we serve it as a blob, and it's called Toothless Delight. I remember it very clearly. So okay, we have steamed it for 20 minutes or so. Let's take a look. Okay, it's all done now. It's translucent. So we leave it to cool. Now we're going to take out the cake, the kuih. Actually, this one has a loose bottom. I'll put it in the fridge so that it cools faster. So here we are. So let's cut it into serving sizes. I'm going to use a bit of oil on my knife so it doesn't stick. You can actually use water as well. Okay. So let us take the pieces out. And then we roll it in the coconut. Looks nice. So this is the very simple Toothless Delight. Ooh, it's so wobbly. Ooh, it's so wobbly. Okay, I try again. This is our very simple sago pudding or sago kuih. It's so wobbly. Okay, let's try and let's see why it's called Toothless Delight. I've got one here that is in beton, so I'm going to eat it. It's very light, not too sweet, very cool because I put it in the fridge. It's very soft, like eating jelly, like eating agar-agar. So the one that we used to do is in round form, like ondeh-ondeh, and we just, coat it with coconut. Good. It is so soft that you don't need teeth to eat it. So it's good for people who've got no teeth. That's why it's called Toothless Delight. It's quite plain actually, because it's just sago and coconut. But it's a nice taste. It's like agar-agar. So I hope you like the video that I produced. It's a very, very simple kuih, or you may call it dessert, but we don't really serve it after a meal, but sometimes in hotels they do. You normally eat it as a snack. So until the next round, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So I'll see you then until the next time, until the next recipe. Bye, bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.